Wow, this is beautiful fruit too. This is Zamorano. I don't know. A lot of people they said they don't like Zamorano, but actually you cannot judge. If you plant healthy and they are good, they're gonna give you good fruit. Yeah. Look, the mix of the color. This is a beautiful color fruit. Zamorano. This is a little tour at night. Is the season done? Not yet. Valdivia Roja still have some fruit. Yeah, very sweet fruit. Sugar Dragon doesn't have, this one doesn't have any fruit. But we have here Edgar Baby. Edgar Baby still have fruit. Yeah, Edgar Baby have fruit. We have Lisa here, have a lot of fruit. Wow, this is the beauty. Lisa. Yes. Beautiful. This is Delight. Delight still have a lot of fruit. This is at night. Yeah, I still have some fruit. We are now end of September. Yes. This is natural mystic. Almost done. I don't see any buds. There's no flowers now in natural mystic. Some fruit here and there. Look how beautiful this. This is Delight. Yeah, Lisa now. Look this one. Look how beautiful. Lisa. Look how beautiful Lisa. Yeah, it's a beautiful fruit. What's this? Bloody Mary. Wow, it is almost, this is so high. I need to put this one down. Yeah, this is grafted. Look the grafting here, and look how big is it. This is Bloody Mary. And this is here we have Michelle. Yeah, they're getting big. Another Bloody Mary. And this is Desert King, grafted. Yes, these are ready to put them in the trellis. This is albino. I love it. I don't have any fruit yet. This is A5 Sunset Sherbet. Yeah, this is still small. zebra. Oh, look this one, how broken. You see that, how broken here? I think I need to cut this. It could survive. No, it's broken. Yeah, this is zebra. I'm gonna cut this. Yes. Yeah, this is a nice cutting. This is zebra. Yeah. Always when you cut, you need to write the name right away. Otherwise, you're gonna have problem. It's gonna be unknown. That's why always I write the names. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like 2-3 days. Then I put it in the water maybe. Yeah, but always keep them in the shade until they are ready. Yes, here we have American Beauty. This one ready. I'm gonna cut this one, American Beauty, tomorrow. Look at these fruits, how they are beautiful. Candour, this is Candour. All these Candour. Still green, not ready. Arihona. Another Lisa here. And Lisa's it start having new buds. Yeah, new buds here coming. And there's fruit ready to go. Yeah, Laverne Red is still not ready. We have a lot of fruit here. I need to harvest this week. Yeah, Purple Haze. This is Alice comment. This is Axe. This is Axe. Axe look close to Assunta tree. Very close to Assunta tree. This is Axe. Hope. Look, here's heaven here. Look what happened. This is not a crack. This is, wow. This is Armando. Look how big that crack. Yes. And these my new hybrid. They are small, but you're gonna see. This is the first year. That's a new hybrid. I wanna see how they taste. Yeah, I still have some fruit. Look how beautiful this fruit. I love the fruit when they have that color. Yeah, San Ignacio still have fruit. Here we have Konigi. This is Konigi. I just harvest one of them. And this is the one that's always have fruit, Ascenta one, all year. It's crazy. This is one of the unknown red. Still have fruit. Yeah, Vietnamese white. Still have fruit. This is Capistrano Valley. Look how beautiful. Yes. Vietnamese white still have fruit. Regina, yeah, did give me a lot of fruit this year. This is Zamorano, look how beautiful. The fruit, this one is so beautiful. Look, so nice. Here we have still fruit, Myla. Capistrano Valley. This is Georgie's Red, have fruit. This is Myla too. Yeah, this is beautiful. Cotton candy. Yeah, I need tomorrow. I need to cover all that fruit. Yes, or the squirrel, they're gonna eat them. Yes, I need to cover all that fruit tomorrow. Yeah, they're starting changing color. Yeah, this is beautiful. It's a big tree, have a lot of fruit. I love to film at night. Weather's nice. Yeah, the animal, they go over the fence, then they jump in the tree, especially at night, and they start eating the fruit. Yeah, we have here Cosmic Charlie. This one have a lot of fruit. Yeah, this is Rexford. And this is here Natural Mystic. Yeah, Nicaraguan Red. They are not ready. Yeah, the season's not over. Look how beautiful these. Look what we have here. Oh, I need to harvest this. There's a crack. Isis yellow. Isis yellow. Yeah, look how beautiful. Wow. They are super beautiful. This is not ready yet. Tresha. Not ready yet. Yeah, we still have fruit. We still have buds coming. Season's not over. Yeah, Cosmic Charlie. Look how beautiful. They are not ready yet. But Cosmic Charlie have a lot of fruit. Look how big and still not ready yet. And this is, I'm waiting for that. This is gonna be super beautiful when it's ready. Yeah. Oh, I need to clean it from the ant. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But really, this is beautiful fruit. Yeah, that's a scorpion. Aggressive and a lot of fruit, beautiful fruit. Yeah. And Mila still crazy. I harvest a lot and still give me a lot of fruit. A lot of fruit. Go to child. And this is Maria Rosa. This is ready. Tomorrow I'm gonna harvest this. Maria Rosa. Yeah, look how beautiful the Maria Rosa. Yes. And look, this Asunta 4. You think this is ready? Yeah, I think I'm gonna harvest this one tomorrow. Still green. Yeah, and this is Asunta 4 too. Yes. Arizona purple here. Have some fruit. A new patch is coming. Yeah, this is beautiful too. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna harvest more fruit. Yeah, we still have fruit. And this is almost ready. We're gonna start harvesting. Yes. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned.